should watch some tuxedo sound videos on TikTok. Yes. Oh, this is gonna be some of her items. She shows to everybody corner. How my first 3D sneeze? Elephant? Wow. Okay, so this is the felt package that she bought. She's gonna make it. So here's her one that she made that's very cute. Oh. Yeah. Bless you. Oh, look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. That was my second sneeze in 3D, okay? And here we go into the song cover release. I sneezed 3 times in 3D today, huh? I think that doesn't have time. The first time, second time, third time. Nobody cares.
大爷，我出去就回家，我妈手工没回来，要是这样回家，大娘，蹦蹦蹦，摸个摸个。